Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You open Chrome and sign in so bookmarks sync across devices. This saves time later. First, navigate to the page you want and click the star in the address bar. Once clicked, name the bookmark clearly so you can find it fast, choose an existing folder or create one. Make sure to use concise names and folder structure. This first action creates the foundation for organized access. After adding a few, pause to check your bookmark's bar visibility so items are instantly reachable. Now you refine structure using the Bookmarks Manager. Open it with Ctrl plus Shift plus O or CMD plus Option plus B. You drag and drop items into folders, rename duplicates, and reorder entries to reflect priority. This step makes retrieval predictable. Once done, enable or hide the bookmarks bar for quick access. Right-click and toggle visibility. Also create a logical folder hierarchy. Main categories, then subfolders for projects or topics. Doing this, finish by ensuring sync is on so bookmarks appear on every device. Go to Settings, select Sync, and enable bookmarks. Then create quick access strategies. Pin frequently used bookmarks to the bar, or use bookmarklets and keyboard shortcuts for repetitive tasks. These save seconds repeatedly. If something goes wrong, import or export bookmarks via the Bookmarks Manager, or restore from another synced device. If a bookmark disappears, check the synced account and undo recent changes. This single troubleshooting tip solves most sync-related issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.